How to add an event reminder to an Instagram post. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to add event reminders to your Instagram posts. But before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So Instagram has the option to add event reminders to your Instagram posts. So you may be posting about an event that's coming up and you want to be reminded about that event. Watch this video to the end and I'm going to show you how to do that. So go ahead and post an Instagram post in the normal way by tapping on the plus button in the top of the screen. Next, choose the photo or video that you'd like to post and then tap on the arrow in the top right hand corner. Edit this post in your normal way and then again tap on the arrow. And once you're here, you can actually tap on the add reminder option. So tap on that one. And then this post will include a button to view event details, including the event title and time. People can also get reminders before your event starts. So you just put in the event name and then you can put in the start time of the event. So if it was happening this Friday, let's say 5 o'clock, you can put that in, then tap on the blue tick in the top right hand corner. And then when you post this, it will then give you a reminder for this event. And that's what it takes to add event reminders to your Instagram posts. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.